Nande ni chingaki chabenu manchumuri andonsia sobere dengo kwari ni asemesa ya magana maya ya Chinsa Ikomi eringo baina ya ndete wate kaime na isiko ya Gusii awasemere kwane na nwende utwara litukuli yao ya Jumatatu ligia anekero lisire kumba charagire Chinsa Ikomi nyone yene mesa magana maya ekuwate kotebuna atekire kuruchingongo nye Chinsa abunilianyi moja sugusu amo nabosongo Jumatatu tariki 12 Mutinyo watano mu mwaka wa 2023 gwerali bagerigo kwarigania asenjera ya beno benanche usorera jinga kichao cha beno ramayana ali ayo ndete gwateka ime na isiko ya Gusii gokaba mananche bali kwete ni gobara Chinsemo awo karwendete ko kwariganiria kurende barantumeire gati yebingese biri bandete kwarigania asoroboti rwenseyemo yabona maroba kurende na kwariganio benanche go Ikomi ericho Auta ne dokubaterana sensemerio munwe manyerio ekarabigaini nyanja makwene kibinago cheira serio ya monechi bisa asenjera ya bene eliane Brighton Makori Tiga banoto ya jage kuruase kaunti ya Nyamira seskuru ya banyaroka ya sironga asibona baiboli na boroke bakobori wa kwene kibuna nguru bara maigeria maya gocha saboro kyanenekero bagochora bagochigokora gosekeri bagochikoba gocha matuko alibosio bagokwana ababwatani aseskuru eyo bakorawa na Dr. Los kurwa ya Kisii nigo batebina nerebu ya borokia nabo aborokiwa kwene kiwa gose kiri barachi gokora gocha matukari bosio anasomo rubekanyemero rekero bagotebana kalia choice gobano muroberio ini gogendera sensemeyo seskuru yabanyaruka asomorike ito cho mange andate gutubwatira roboti orukorende oratumire kengese onage kubwatia
Tieno, a lecturer in Kisii University in the Department of Psychology and also a psychologist. So today we came here to talk about career, helping the girls in Form 3 to choose their career early. Most of the time we find that students go through a school system and then the emphasis on career comes in Form 4. Let them choose those careers that they feel that they will be best at. So that would be my advice to parents. But at the same time, I would also request the young people in secondary schools that sometimes parents also give their parental guidance based on their experiences. And since these parents have worked before the students, they should also listen to them.
Fear God and to be girls and ladies of character. Because without character, then education is meaningless. We can have them all score A's, and we found them in the doldrums of life where they've lost it in terms of character. They are not able to stand for themselves. They can't make the right choices, and that is a waste. So for me, where I work at Kisii University, I'm in charge of human resource management. And this is a good place to start with our young people, encouraging them to choose the right careers based on their interest and their passion.
Teachers across the country, wherever they are, they can benchmark that one from us and also practice it in their centers so that we can be able to inform our learners so that they do not make mistakes when it comes to career choice.
So I would urge everybody out there to guide the upcoming minds, the great potential of tomorrow on careers, because today has been a very good session for us. You've learned how to choose well, you've learned how to be consistent, how to be determined, and to make short-term goals so that they can add up to our long-term.
Tiga bono tosuke kurwa senseme yoto ende wika sensemo ya Homa Bay buna inchere ya moyo gokinie sekta yobo sombi anaso wetera chindege nigobonege ti gya kabunde kyanyare kiko chakiwa asensemeyo asomo wasiri bobosombi murukomeni kibuchumba hanyara kawikarana herigo chaki omoroberio yo asatiruno bamatobu yambole gati yechi serikali yechi county asogokini birengo byobosombi gati abarayi bekirana asensemeyo ngamo nomo county secretary we county ya Kisii oyoira libaga gosokwana rikari omugabana bwe county ya Kisii Paulo Simbarati asebano baterunegetie kyo kyoma beni okegochigutumeka neji county chiribagikaine buna Kisii amone chinde irigokinie birengo byobasomi turayuna kintabo anyaraka okwana ekaraikirana asensemeyu.
This airport will be serving the Kisii. We have the CS, the County Secretary representing His Excellency Governor Simba Arati, and he has a word just to commit that the Kisiis will be using this airport. So,
thank you. Just a word. Just a word. Your Excellency, our CS, and all protocol observed. Honorable Simba Arati, Governor Kisii County, sent me here. Mnajua anawapenda. Number 2, just his commitment that Kisii County and the people of Kisii are ready to utilize this facility to ensure that this project is a success. Those are words from His Excellency Paul Simba Arati. Thank you so much. Thank you once again.
Sensemo yaye mugabana bwe county ya Mabegirali Zuwanga nigabana terune serikali enene nigo ya korregente kiyanene asogo chakigetie kyo senseme yogi akabunde bunenjere ya moyo gokinyo bosombi senseme kaukwana nigabo igateruna serikali enene ne takire kurire miroberiende buna chipara senseme yo asamo bolyo mu wasiri bo bosombi kibujumba murukomeni kuriringanie ya soboime enda bantu bo mabe banyare bakonyore kibakwegokeria konyora sensemo yo bosombi.
Chairman of the Committee of Transport in the National Assembly has spoken to the issue of the ferry. It's a big, for our people who live in the islands, 80% of Kenya's Lake Victoria is in Homa Bay, which means that people who live in the islands and other places are unable to move without the ferry. So I thank you, I thank the national government, I thank the Committee on Transport, and especially our colleagues who are also in the budget committee like Honorable Mili for ensuring that we now have that budget for the ferry. Asante sana to the national government for that particular movement. So we are happy that that is happening. I know that there are many roads also happening, one of which we will see between Adiedo and Karabok, the one that is in Karoli's constituency that will open up that part of the country hugely and open up our tourism.
Omowasiri wabasombi kibujumba murukameno yukirana asomoroberio yubogo chakigetie kiase county Omabay nigabona teruna nerebu ya serikali chechi county na serikali anene kubaterana iri kwenda kibona magendro ngosukale bo siasa teberuna nerebu ya abana siasa kubeka tabauti ya bensemo iri okora magendro ikiagera bamenyi gosaba abananchi bense ya Kenya nigo batageta magendro tarikirenga ki siasa.
We are working together. I know some people were looking at us. I saw some of our pictures that were shared in the morning. And people were asking, can Wanga work with Murkomen? What is going on? Yeah? Many of you do not know that those of us who are here understand two things. It is one thing to, nyinyi, raia mko na maneno. Napigia mtu makofi tu akisema story. Lakini uchaguzi kikaribia, watu wanataka maendeleo. So sisi kwa upande huu bila kujali chama, lazima tuhakikishe kwanza uko na kitu ya kupelekea raia. Nawaambia ndio hii barabara, ndio hii tuko na ferry hapa, ndio hii tuko na tumejenga airport, tumeextend airport. Hata mimi kama kijana sitaki nikwende nikizeeka namna ile, wanasema huyo mtu tu alikuwa anapika Kiingereza kwa wizara. Na inafaa nikirudi hapa nasema nilikuja hapa nikasema tuongeze runway, tumeongeza. Na hii imekuwa an international airport. So we have to work together. Sisi haijalishi she is elected in ODM, I was elected. In any case, mimi nilikuwa mtu ya mkono ya baba.
Ekiombe gyokurwani obokurumime yense ya Kenya EACC nigobono gyateberumna obokurumi obonge nigobogokorwa n'abakora emirimo obe serikali asense ya Kenya gukwana sumusankano obareta mu abobisa be serikali nigobono ekiombe gyogekorawa n'omukonyi w'ekiombe Abdul Mohamed yateberuna nerebu ya machikanya araka wonchoreriwa ali ararwani amangana yobukurumi asense ya Kenya.
In probably 2 weeks or 3 weeks, we shall have the first file ready, and but we don't want to go into the details of who is involved and what is involved. And we are basically looking at detailed investigations when it comes to CI, both in the previous administration and in the current administration.
Saying says prevention is better than cure. Therefore, once we've understood what do investigators look for in this when they come to investigate procurement-related issues, then we're able to be more aligned, more engaged, but more importantly, be sensitive to those pitfalls that can befall our members during that process. Essentially, it's also part and parcel of saying, how can we ensure that the people that are involved in any part of that process, we call it supply chain for a reason. It's not just procurement. Supply chain is a holistic view about where the process starts, end-to-end view of supply chain, so that accountability is put at the right places in the supply chain, not just at procurement people.
Ekere serikali endete kubike mirubiri ya bene yokurwanie binyuwa bitanje asense ya Kenya. Musangano yono kolekana se county ya Tarakaniti oyura wana mokonyi bomurayibu enseri katika shawa sabarai awa banyara bakugikerie ngane yo ya marioga tanjeri amone binyuwa bitanjeri ebakura n'umugabana we county ya Tarakaniti Mutomi Njuki nigateberuna ekarago chikorwa service buno mugabana ekaranyarega ko basintunda ibere nigateze kwene kibura Tarakaniti ekarakurororo okode binyuwa biri bitanjeri ase county yo.
I want to tell you, from where I sit, I am doing my last term as a governor of Tharaka County. I will not be seeking to be a governor again, probably will not be seeking for a seat in Tharaka. I am going to be a suicide bomber as far as this matter is concerned. We will dive with it. We will do whatever it takes to make sure that our people are sober. And apart from, of course, the alcohol, the issue of bangi, which is very rampant in this place. It is easy to see the brew being sold in a bar. But bangi and other substances that are drugs, we have to rely on the community to give us the information. And therefore, we are looking for synergy between security agencies and our Nyumba Kumi, our CHVs, and the chiefs, and the community at large, to be able to give us information. So it is not only about leadership, it is about integration of the community, and that is where we want to go.
Waigomo wasiri wabachanu Susanik na kuminja nena nyaraka wikena sense meyo anene kranya kawa debuna amaroira manga sense ya Kenya nigachagire koletwa nebinyuwa byogotindia biribire bitanjiria sense yetu ya Kenya sa debuna mirobineta kere kubekwa eria ba Kenya banyara bagotwara obachenu orobuya na gwetanga kurwa sobotomeki bamaliogo yogotindia.
So these conversations that we are having here is one way of preventing the effects and the impact of drug and alcohol abuse on health. Your Excellency, besides the direct impact of liver disease, lung disease, and cancer associated with the drug and alcohol abuse, we have other impacts that end up being health issues. Your Excellency, people who are involved in drug and alcohol abuse, in most cases, they end up with mental illnesses. And as a ministry, that has become one of our key concerns. Next to that, Your Excellency, these people end up with impaired judgment.
Umuwasiri boborendi boime kiture kindiki nigabona nyarega kurunere kurege tindigo cha saba ingia marwa na bali bakoni biro ebinyuwa bitanjiri asense yetu ya Kenya taduna rijiko galichiko bwatiwa nonde bwenso nyarega kwewereze syokonia marwa yugo siga konia ebinyuwa ebyo wekabinyare biko babuna nebinyuwa biribyanjire asense ya Kenya kaokwana nere ase county ya Tharaka Nithi nigaterune serikali nigerengedo jukwena chirese chinya ochiase abaonia ebinyuwa lakini biri byanjire.
On all unlicensed outlets for manufacture, distribution, and sale of illicit of all unlicensed outlets of manufacture, distribution, and sale of alcohol. And on the question of second generation alcoholic drinks, which is a major issue, and the question of ethanol, I want to agree with the presenter from NACADA that many of the licensees who are genuinely licensed have subcontracted their production to others, and they are some of the ethanol that they are legitimately using under their license is being used to concoct other things that are substandard and unhealthy. Also,
Ekerabana to the asingane yo kurwani ebinyuwa bitanje iri hanena sensemeli ya centro nikobono mokonyi bumurai bwense rigatika shawa are asumeri tangani eri kurwani ebinyuwa ebyo asebona nyarega kobore kiserekali jechi county gati y'abagabana abanyare bakobwaterana ne county commissioner eri gukora ebinyuwa ebyo amonobo salibonde bwenzi buranyare bakorekana chi county
want to urge the governors to talk to the county commissioners and have a good relationship. When we came in, the previous administration had created a wedge between the national government and the county government. Ourselves, we told our county commissioners, I called them for a meeting, that we are one people. We serve the same people. There is gain when we work together. I want to ask these governors to consider where you have challenges of budgetary, put money aside to give allowances to the National Police Reserve. Where there are issues of transport, county governors consider buying and maintaining vehicles to be used by these officers. Because hata ukijega barabara, ujege hospitali na watu yako hapana lala, you are wasting your time. Security is everything. It's a prerequisite to development. So please, I want to encourage our officers of the national government administration. Kaa karibu na governor wako, kaa karibu na mjumbe wako. We used to build even canteens for police officers. Wale tulu
ayubono na Chinsa Ikomi kondenyera na gekuragense ya moya wana maroba no chikumirane timu embo kabisa semanyi chumatate inde bakomanyina raliali atekire kurumambya mpaka Chinsa jigoto maje kubwatia mangana maya agekuraga ense ya moya wana maroba kro chikumirana na onyanja Vincent amonivari no sero bakoretere sayugwetera sensemeri ye manye chumatatu abariki baito nigo barekira Chinsemo aho akarabanda te kwariganirya achikore tunaye unana gotebiri gwikuragense yamo yabono marongo gusabero nyarako utwaro buliro bya imeyandi Steven Robans Mausi yakarutwa bodana na chosho utakorwa sensemeri umuntu wemanyereri wabwari nyanja mwana kinago cheire wetererio yamo nechibicha injinya sai gakunganjira na yagwanjire tumira nankyo asomoroberio wensakya Eliane Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii.